say nothing. I'm gonna give the comments to myself.